In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make this men V-neck collar design. And to do this, the first thing is to determine the width or the wideness of your collar. For this, the wideness of my collar is 2 inches plus ½ inch that I'm going to use to join it to the body. That gives us 2.5, and I have it in excess. The length is in excess. I have 14 inches length, so I'm going to set it aside. Already we know the width of our collar. Now this is a normal cutting. This will be the joining allowance. This will be the joining allowance. Also, this will be for the joining allowance as well. Just bear it in mind, assuming we are taping it or we are piping it inside. So this is our joining allowance. So from this joining allowance for the front, you are going to determine how long you want it to be. As for me, I think I'm going to pick 10 inches here. So I'm going to pick 10 inches here. And after determining the depth of the neck, so from this place, from this joining allowance, we are going to measure the width of the collar, which is 2 inches. So the 2 inches will be here. The 2 inches will be here. Divide the width by 2. 2 divided by 2, that will give us 1. So that will be the wideness of the neck at the down part here. So you can connect, but don't make your marking too obvious. Don't make it too obvious. So this is it. And the next thing, so far we are joining this collar inside the dress. Then you have to add your joining allowance inside, which is ½ inch. So the joining allowance will be inside, and it is ½ inch allowance. So this is it. So this is our joining allowance, and here we are also going to add joining allowance inside this place. But for the down part, I'm going to add 1 inch as my joining allowance. So you'll bear all this in mind. So we are going to cut it out. This will be the outer part of the collar. So I'm going to place it down. When we turn it out, it will be like this. So yes, you can see I have excess at the upper part. So we are going to join it using ½ inch joining allowance. This will go down 1 inch low. The major thing is to have 2 inches here. So, and this is my 2 inches. So, I notch this place and also notch this place. Then we are going to turn it in. We are going to press down, then we are going to stitch it here. We are done now. I will go ahead and stitch it here. So this is what we have. The last thing is to place our design. I have printed design. This is called borderless printing. They call it borderless printing. So I only cut it down for here, and I'm going to iron it down. So you wait for the thing to cool. You wait for it to cool before peeling up, before you peel this nylon. But as you can see, this is the result. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more impactful tutorials.